Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to make a Google review QR code. So guys, first of all, to clear some of the questions straight off, is you need to firstly verify your business to be able to get the link and also both the QR code to be able to share it with other people and of course share your business and increase your revenue. So as you can see, I'm not verified. But when you are, it's actually pretty simple. You go to your read reviews button right here. As you can see, your business in here where it says edit profile. Click on read reviews, and after you get verified, you will have in this section ability to both copy the link to your business and also to generate a QR code that you can then save and then post maybe somewhere on your website or something so that people can navigate your website, scan the QR code, and of course get access to your business, know more about it, figure out where it's located, what are the services you're providing, etc, etc. So once again, just get verified, read reviews, and in here you'll set up your QR code. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.